Years of international sanctions on Iran have choked the economy. An international ban on doing business with Iranian banks, the import of Iranian oil, and the freezing of Iranian government and private assets have contributed to sluggish, even negative growth. That stranglehold is finally being loosened.
The lifting of the sanctions will, first of all, have a very positive psychological impact, will compel a lot of the investors in the Iranian economy, foreign and domestic investors who had either been barred or basically were in a waiting mode to start their investing activities.
The Iranian government agreed to limit nuclear development in exchange for the return to energy and financial markets. It will now also be able to access billions of dollars worth of frozen assets stuck in foreign banks. There are questions over how Iranian government leaders will channel this windfall. Iran's president has said he wants to attract foreign investment, expand the oil and natural gas sectors, and promote a more diversified economy. The deal could not be better timed with parliamentary elections scheduled next month.
I tell the great Iranian nation that, God willing, the sanctions will be lifted in January and the government will fulfill one of its election promises. The chains of sanctions will be removed from the feet of Iran's economy and the path will be more open for more interaction with the world.
Iran is hungry for change. Economic isolation has caused a weak currency, high inflation, and lack of jobs. Iran is a market of 80 million potential customers for foreign companies, but progress isn't expected to be quick.
Interest to invest in Iran as a major emerging economy is there, but the pace at which this investment can be absorbed, the negotiations that are needed, the operational processes that are needed to absorb these investments will be slower than many expect at this stage.
The implementation of the nuclear deal is being lauded by many as a positive step for Iran reintegrating into the global economy. But it's no reset button for relations with the West. Iranian military forces recently carried out 2 ballistic missile tests, prompting talk in Washington of a new round of sanctions. Gerald Tan, Al Jazeera.